why science will never find God. Why science, God, spirituality, and religion are so far apart from each other. What is the reason for this? We will look at all this in today's episode. Now, science has been the study of objects, whether it is biology, whether it is technology, whether it is physics, chemistry, etc. Science always studies objects, and science is about the study of the different objects of the universe. And science also studies the universe itself. Science studies this time-space reality, because of which science uncovers various secrets of the universe and various things about the nature of reality and about the time-space reality. But what the religion and spiritual teachings, especially the teachings from the Upanishads, tell us is that God is beyond time-space reality. If the universe has an origin, what was there before the universe is God, and what will be there after the dissolution of the universe is God, and what is there in and through this universe is God. So no matter how much science studies the time-space reality and this universe, it can never technically find God, because that which we call God, that pure intelligence, pure consciousness, and pure awareness cannot be found by studying objects. We use our mind as a tool to study different things, and our mind itself has a fundamental boundary, and this boundary is time, space, and causation. Since our mind is a product of this universe, there is a fundamental limitation to our mind, and we cannot accommodate that which is infinite within the limitations of our mind, and hence understanding God through our little minds is not possible. But then what are the religions telling us? What is spirituality about, and what is the teachings of the Upanishads? What the Upanishads tell us is that even though understanding God with our little minds is technically not possible, realizing God experientially is possible. And this is what we need to seek. And Adi Shankaracharya has explained this beautifully in his work Aparoksha Anubhuti. He says that which is God, that which is pure consciousness or awareness is within you. You can never find it outside of you, because it is the very source within you, and you cannot understand it or realize it through traditional methods of direct perception and inference. So science uses direct perception and inference as tools to understand different concepts and different objects. Direct perception is simply looking at something and studying it and understanding it. It's as simple as looking at a table, measuring it, observing it, and then analyzing it and understanding it. Inference is nothing but inferring the information through something. For example, there are some microscopic particles that we cannot see with the naked eye, but scientists use a microscope or an instrument to look at that particle, and based on the readings of the instrument, they come to various conclusions about the nature of that microscopic particle. This is inference. What Shankaracharya tells us is that God can never be found or understood through the direct perception or through inference. It can only be found through Aparoksha Anubhuti. It is a sort of direct first-hand experience that one has about the nature of reality, and this is the only way to realize God. And since science is only focused on the study of objects of the universe, and since science is only focused on the study of time-space reality, it cannot find pure consciousness, and it cannot find that absolute reality or God until it radically changes how it approaches things. If you are interested in the subject of God and consciousness and about the nature of reality, you can check out my book Decoding God on Amazon. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.